Hi, and welcome back to Nommies Kitchen. As you can see, I've positioned my camera away from my feet, possibly even using blur so that you guys can't look at my toes. Anyway, so I'm gonna grab our oil and I'm gonna put in some oil. You can use whatever oil you feel like. You can usually use sunflower oil or rice bran oil, which is what I'm using now. Gonna pop that in there. And I'm gonna go grab my ayam, what's it called? Ayam Thai massaman curry paste, and I'm gonna pop that in there. We're gonna use 2/3 of it, because we're doing a double batch. And then we're going to be stirring that around. Once we've done that and stirred it around so that it's kind of nice and liquidy, we're then going to put in our chicken. Usually you can use beef, but today I'm using chicken because that's what I feel like. Anyway, once you put your chicken in, stir that around until it's browned and covered in the sauce, curry paste. And then once that's all browned, put in 640 milliliters of coconut milk. Don't use coconut cream, use coconut milk. Also use 1 kilo of chicken. And then we're going to mix that around. And we're going to pop in our onion and potato after that. And yeah, I cut up 2 small potatoes and 1 onion with big chunks. You can do whatever you feel like, but that's what I wanted to do. Once we've added our potato and our onion, we're going to stir it around so that it all breaks up before we put it into simmer. Once it's all broken up, we're going to simmer it for 20 minutes and then we're going to come back and we're going to serve it up. So when you serve it, you can garnish it with peanuts. However, I don't really feel like it, so do whatever you want. Yeah. So that's my chicken Thai massaman curry. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Share with your friends. Thanks. Goodbye.